Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've done several videos on how to make this, but I've never done it like this one. And this, I think, looks the best. Not only is it a round object, but it looks like the material is actually a round, like a hoop. And because you're given that effect of the darkness, I did it just the opposite of here and then put a black background. I did it in a pink, did it in black and white or gray. I think this color looks the best. So let's just draw one. Doesn't matter what size. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make that, and I normally draw in hairline. I'm going to make it 2 inches. But then the key is go to object and convert the outline to an object. And when I do this, watch the handles move. They move to the outside. Now we're going to make it that blue. Now we're going to get the interactive fill tool and just swipe across. Get right here and get the elliptical and make this bigger and then put it in the, it's almost like you got to move both of them. And we could go all the way to the edge. And now we're pretty much even. Now I'm going to add a black to there. I'm going to add a black to here, but now I'm going to add that blue right in between them. And you get that look, and then you could still, change it if you think the black's more. So to me, it really looks good. Now, wasn't enough to really warrant a video, so I'm going to interlock these two, which is something I really like doing. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and move it out of the way. And then take the rectangle tool, or make a square. And the golden rule is to have all 4 white. And then shift select the ring and go right here to intersect and nudge that out of the way. Now let's take our box away. Let's take this one and go up to object, order back a page. But when we move this back, it appears that they're interlocked. That's pretty cool. Let's see if we can highlight a little bit, maybe with yellow to see if it looks better. Not any better, but you get the idea. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody a little bit. Thank you for watching.